Competency number 3 is the identification of coaxial connectors. The assessor may give you actual coaxial connectors. They will be of this type, or he may show you a diagram similar to this. He's not interested in you telling him that this is PL259 or whatever, but he just wants the common names for these 6 connectors. Now, if you look closely, there are only 3 pairs here. That's a plug, that's a plug, and that's a plug. So these 3 connectors are all plugs, and they all have a partner with one of these 3. Connector number 1 is the plug for connector number 5. So 1 is an N-type plug, 5 is an N-type socket, 2 is a UHF plug, 6 is a UHF socket, 4 is a BNC plug, 3 is a BNC socket. What I might do to help you is type that in. I'll just scroll up. 1 is a N-type plug. It's easy to see it's a plug because you can see the pin in the connector. I'm just going to have to change my line spacing so I can fit this in. And what I might do is that's the plug. The N-type plug is number 1. Number 5 is the N-type socket. Number 2 is a UHF plug. Now, some people call it a PL259. PL means plug, by the way. But the proper name for it is just UHF plug. And the socket for that is number 6. And lastly, we've got number 4, which is called a BNC connector, and that's a plug. And number 3 is the BNC socket. And that's all you have to say to pass competency number 3.